Yo my guys, it's your boy Mr. Banx and I'm back with another video, but you see my head is different though. Face reveal, ayah. Today's video is a bit different. I got LED lights in my living room. If you see my Instagram, make sure to follow my Instagram. Where's my finger? Make sure to follow my Instagram because then you get to chill with me and all sorts and whatnot. But anyways, yeah. So I installed these lights in my yard thinking, yeah, they're calm. But then they weren't the ones that I wanted, innit? So today, I'm gonna take them down with you and then upload the ones that I got. Yeah. But if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that malarkey. I appreciate it. You love me and everyone's happy, innit? But let me show you the lights, blood. And then let me show you the unboxing of my new lights. New light. And then after that, yeah, we got a giveaway. We got a giveaway for the other lights that I ordered. I'll put that on my Instagram and there'll be a giveaway for LED lights. You know, they're worth like £40, I think they are. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but you can have a chance to win a pair of LED lights. Motherfucker! But so we're gonna install new ones. But let me show you the old ones first. Alright, these are the lights. They're calm. Don't worry about the beanbag in it, yeah? But these lights, they're calm. Like, they're decent, innit? But they're not the ones that, like, I wanted, innit? Obviously, it's controlled by an app. Rare tear. It can do all these other styles, like, what's it? Strobe? I don't know, yeah? And you do, like, blue strobe and 7 different colors, and it's calm. But it's not the way I want it, you see what I'm saying? So it goes all over my ceiling. My ceiling's quite high, look. It's either I'm high or I'm short. Or it's high or I'm short, but yeah, so this is what it's like. Alright, so these are the new lights. They're called Glove. I think that's how you say it. Glove, yeah? They're called Glove. You see how I was controlling the other lights with Bluetooth? These are the other lights, yeah? These ones are better than the Bluetooth ones, but it comes with a remote, and I don't want a remote with my one. I want just Bluetooth. That's why I'm gonna give these ones away. But you're gonna find out, yeah, in the video. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna give these ones away, and then I'm gonna ask everyone on my Instagram. So the giveaway is gonna be on my Instagram for about 2-3 days. Depending on when I upload this, I'm probably gonna write in the description, in the comment section, to let you know how long the giveaway is gonna be for, because I don't know when I'm loading this video. But yeah, so these are the lights. They're good. They got multicolored, but this is the reason why I wanted to upgrade to these ones. Yeah, these are the ones I thought I bought. These ones, yeah, they light up individually. Yeah, so each light has a different color. That's wavy. You see what I'm saying? That, yeah, that goes ham. So what we get in the box, I thought I'll just unbox it with you lot, yeah? It's like some leaflet, a manual, and then these individual lights. They're called RGB IC. The ones on my wall are called RGB, but these IC ones, they light up individually, innit? So yeah, this is what you get in the box. You get like some alcohol pads. You get the socket thing, yeah? Plus, on my wall, it's a black strip. That's kind of dead. But this is white, so it blends in with my wall. It's a mad smell coming out of here, but look, you get you can stick this on the wall, yeah? So you're chilling, and then it comes with like, oh, on the strips itself, it has sticky side as well, and then this one can stick to the wall. So they got you patterned, so you'll be chilling for a minute. And it's a nice look how lengthy the wire is. So yeah. So where do I start? Bro, I ain't touched this because I wanted to make a video of you lot. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so lads, man, to rip the thing off. Alright, there's the adhesive in the back, and it's all white. Yeah, so it blends in with my wall, and that's what I wanted. Ooh, these are my LED glasses for stream. They're pretty sick still. Yo, so you're gonna probably wondering why I've got a table right here. The table is so I can put this chair. Oh snap. Okay, that's probably dangerous. This chair on the table so I can get to the roof and then I can take the LEDs out of the roof. But we don't need that for now. But that's my ladder. That's the ladder in the hood. I'm broke, innit? So we're gonna start with this section, get this out, and then go to the top with the ladder. I'm gonna show you that as well. So removing this is quite easy. I can just pull it off, as you can see. And it's gonna go all the way around my hole. Just pull it off. I'm gonna put these lights in my bedroom instead. This is hard. I need 2 hands. Okay. I don't wanna break it. Ooh, imagine if I break it, that'd be a bit mad. So legit just pull. And then it comes off. Obviously, you can see that I didn't really put the adhesive stuff in. So I can just pull. Banx to the boo-boo, Banx to the boo-boo. So if you see the other day we tried to put these lights up, then I realized they're not the lights that I wanted. So I had to order some. So this is featured, this is 2 days later, a couple days later, yeah? And we got the thing now. So we're gonna go and pattern this one, and I'm gonna show you how we do this. Alright, so we've connected it to the socket. Connected the socket, all this stuff to the Wi-Fi. I didn't realize it was Wi-Fi. I thought it was Bluetooth, but it's calm. We move. At the end of the day, it's the one I wanted, so I'm happy. As you can see here, this is what I wanted. Different colors at the same time is lit. Yeah. So yeah, and don't forget I'm doing a giveaway. So make sure to follow my Instagram to find out how to enter in a giveaway, innit? But it'll be LED lights you'll be winning, because man's got better them. But yeah, so I'm gonna set this up, and then you see the final results. All right, excuse the mess, but we've done it. We've done it finally. It took forever, but there you go. I'm gonna sort this out a bit because I don't like this strip, but I'm gonna show you how it is for now. And yeah, but don't forget, man, we're doing the giveaway. There's the lights there. It might be like 2 I'm giving away. So I'll be giving away 2 of these LED lights. So I hope you lot can win this, and I'll explain on my Instagram. I repeat, follow my Instagram, and I'll put it in my story to see how you can win this giveaway. Peace. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, then it is what it is. But man, if you got this far, please like, comment, subscribe. You know, I appreciate everyone that follows and joins the journey. It means a lot to me. And if you play Fortnite, don't forget to use code Mr. Banx in the item shop. You see what I'm saying? Obviously, this is like a more RIL kind of video. But yeah, peace.